Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an amazing opportunity for engineering and design students across India, the Adobe India Hackathon 2025. So grab your team and get ready to build something impactful with the Adobe technologies. So in this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know about the Adobe India Hackathon 2025, from the eligibility and the rounds, important dates, and why this is such a great opportunity and how to apply successful tips and much more. So stay tuned till the end. But before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now and also join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups where I'm sharing all the internships and job opportunities for all the batches. And also don't forget to follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn page. So let's get into this video. So this is hosted on the Unstop and this is the hackathon. It invites the students nationwide to demonstrate their software design and the programming skills through a structured competitive format. And coming on to the eligibility, so if you are in a full-time degree pursuing btech or mtech or ME or any dual degree programs from the engineering colleges in India and who are graduating in the year 2026, 2027, 2028 and 2029 are eligible for this hackathon. So nothing but if you are in the first year, second year, third year or the fourth year and graduating in these years are eligible for this hackathon. And also they gave that the participant must register in teams with 2 to 3 members. So minimum of 2 members and maximum of 3 members can participate in this hackathon. So individual participation is not allowed. And also they mentioned that cross college teams are not allowed. So whoever are there in your team, those all team members must be from your college itself. And the cross year teams are allowed and the cross specialization teams are also allowed. Next, coming on to the rules and guidelines, the team members have to register with the WhatsApp number, and also if you have and must register with the official university ID. If you don't have, you can register with your mail ID itself. And also the team members should be from the same university or the institute, and one student cannot be part of the more than one team. So these are some guidelines and the eligibility criteria. And how the hackathon works. So we are having the 4 rounds. The first round will be the online MCQ assessment along with some coding. So in this round, all the team members has to participate and they have to attempt this round 1, and it is a 1 hour assessment which will consist of the 15 MCQs and 1 coding question, and this will mainly focusing on the TSA concepts. And the team final score will be calculated based on the average score of its members. So in your team members, the average score will be calculated, and based on that you will be shortlisted to the next round. This will be starting on the 11th July from 12 to 8 p.m. So registrations has been started today itself. So register as soon as possible and start preparing for this hackathon. So 1 month is left for the registration. And next, after this, you will be having the live launch session. So whoever are shortlisted in the round 1, they will be invited to this, and the shortlisted teams will be presented with some problem statement by the leaders, and this session will include the detailed briefing on the case and expectations of the submissions. And also they will tell you some key guidelines for the upcoming building the solutions of the given problem statement. So participants will also have the opportunity to ask questions, and also you will be gaining a lot of valuable insights, and this is like a mentorship from the top leaders from the Adobe company. So after this, the round 2 is a build and connect round. So in this, all the shortlisted teams will gain the access to the detailed problem statement. So the round goes live on the 14th of July from 4 p.m. to the 28th July till 12 p.m. So here the document will clearly outline the challenge, and you have to steps to follow and the evaluation process. The document will be available once you are shortlisted to the round 2. So as a part of this round, you are expected to build the solution for the given problem statement and the core system that powers the intelligent document understanding and the semantic linking, and align with the problem brief. So you have to build the solution for the given problem statement. So once you are completed, so the team members have to submit their solution. So once this round is live, you will see a like solution submission button. So by using that button, you can submit your solution. And so this will also include some like private GitHub repository link and other assets. Next, the round 3 is the experience and insight prototype. So in this round, whoever are shortlisted in the round 2, they will be invited for the round 3. So in this, building on the previous round, the team must develop a web-based interface that will allow the users to explore the documents and other related content. So this prototype is a highlight core user experience elements such as contextual recommendations and some interaction flows and the insight generation features. Next, the team leaders must submit their solutions as per the given guidelines. So all the links, GitHub repository and other materials you need to provide it properly. And this will be happening from the 5th of August to the 19th August. Next, there will be the final grand finale round, which is the round 4. So the top qualifying teams will get the opportunity to present their solutions in the company's headquarters in Noida, and also the Adobe, they will take care of all the travel and accommodation arrangements for the finalist. So this will be happening on the 5th of September from 10 to 2 p.m. So this is all about the rounds and the stages and the timelines for this hackathon. This is really a very good opportunity for everyone. So why you should join this? You will be winning the exciting prizes. As they mentioned here, the first prize will be the winner will be getting the MacBook Air, and the first runner will be getting the iPad. So each member will be receiving, whoever the which team has been won. So all the team members will be getting the prizes, and also the top 50 participants will be getting the pre-placement interview opportunities, and also get a chance to interview with the Adobe with the stipend of 1 lakh per month. So this internship like pre-placement interviews for the internship is for only 2027 batch, nothing but if you are in the third year, so they will be getting the chance to interview for the internship at Adobe. And also the national finalist will be getting the some goodies and some Adobe Acrobat Pro licenses. And also the top 50 shortlisted teams will be getting the certificates from Adobe, and also you'll be getting the participation certificate. So this will boost your resume and network in the tech or the design community. So this is really a very good opportunity. How to register for this? Just click on the register button and give all the details like WhatsApp number, university or the mail IDs, and still 1 month is left for the registration. So register it as soon as possible and start preparing for it. So if you want the resources for the round 1 or some guidelines for the round 2 or round 3 and the round 4, so definitely I will provide it. So let me know in the comment section if you need the resources for MCQ challenge and coding assessment. So definitely I will try to provide the previous year questions, and also share this video with your friends. And next, some of the tips to succeed in this hackathon. So solidify your team dynamics early and pick the roles that align to your skills, and then prepare ahead for the coding round. The round 1 is a very important round because the lot of elimination will be happening in the round 1. So you must practice all the DSA concepts and the MCQs. So, and after that you have to choose a real world problem that aligns with your skills and where you are passionate about it. And also explore the Adobe Creative Cloud APIs and SDKs before the round 2, and then leverage the feedback from mentors in the round 3 to polish your final pitch. So this is a really good opportunity. If you are a student ready to take on real world challenges, this is your chance to shine with the Adobe. So don't let July 19 and the July 25 register now on the Unstop, build something extraordinary and stand a chance to impress the Adobe team in Noida. So, if you are searching for the internships or job opportunities, join our WhatsApp and Telegram groups where I'm sharing all the details and the hiring updates on internships and job opportunities. And also follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram pages. So everything in detail they provided here for the round 1, round 2 and the round 3, and also for the round 4 rewards and everything. And main thing is the pre-placement interviews for the internship is only for 2027 batch. So you can also go with the all these FAQs. So registration link is in the description. So do check it out and start preparing for it. Also share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.